Oh, it's dripping.
Oh, wow.
Day 2. And as I thought yesterday, the walls were not going to be white enough. We've come up this morning and they're completely clear. Like, you can't see the paint colour from before underneath it. So we're going to leave this layer, and the boy is going to do this little bit up here, from here to here, all around the room to set it off. While we went to the shop this morning, to the hardware shop. I'm gonna try and get the paint off these tiles. We're keeping the paint, the green tiles, and then I'm gonna try and cork all of these edges around the room. So let's get started. Woo! Day 2. A little bit more excitement from the crowd, please.
Woo!
There we go. So, I have cleaned up as much of this tile as I could and used this stuff.
Turpentine.
Yeah, that one. As much as I could, and filled in this little bit here. We don't know what we're gonna do, either paint it green or just leave it white for now. Now my task is to cork the edges of the floor. So I gotta do this. Don't fully know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try. I looked at a video on YouTube, so I think I can do it. And the boy's been filling in the gaps along the ceiling. Don't know if you can see. Up there, oh, got a little bit of head rush. And now he's masking so that you can paint all along it. Woo woo! Okay, I'm gonna set you up so you guys can watch me. And then let's see how we get on with this. As we're doing the room up, we still got some more stuff to do. But we got some packages from, I mean, what is this?
Spray.
The cans for the windows! Yes!
Thinking, what is that sound?
I know!
So, did we get something on skates?
Oh yes, I'm so glad these came. Are we doing this today?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you see the scissors on the floor somewhere? Hey, the camera assistant now, come on. Okay, come on. Thank you. Oh my god, why is this so tough? Yes, matte. 2 matte sprays from Amazon. Hopefully that will do us. We've got the electricals and a window and the curtain rods to do. Hopefully that'll be enough. It says matte, it doesn't say black, so it better be black. Because it's white. Why is the sticker white? Okay, it doesn't say. That better be white. These could be the bed sheets. Yep, these are the bed sheets. Says black?
PVC, jet black.
Oh, thank God. Okay, perfect. Got the bed sheets here. We won't show you those until they go on the bed. And then this, I don't know whether this has anything to do with the room. This might be.
Is it mine?
It is yours.
Oh, is it? Hey!
It's your record player.
Hey! Oh, wow.
Really? So we just returned a broken one from a new broken box? I'm not going to even attempt opening them out.
You're going to send it straight back?
Do you not think?
If it works, it works.
Okay, you can try it if you
Yeah.
want. But that is pretty awful. What's that noise?
Tissue inside, which should be.
That's what we've gotten. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Wow.
How bad is that?
That's very shocking.
I kind of just want to get the windows done.
Yeah.
Like, fuck everything. Bum. I should have mask on. I'm nervous.
Remember, they did use the scraper thing to scrape off, so it's not like it's going to stay.
It's more for the PVC than it is the glass for me.
PVC would be fine. If it was on wood, different.
Okay.
PVC would be fine.
You think you can get it off?
Yeah.
Spray from the correct distance, 25 to 30 centimetres. You're not supposed to spray close.
Okay.
I thought not, because that's when it starts dripping and it has a weird look. Because you want it to look proper, don't you? I think we should just use one, because I don't want to like have half and half. I'm not sure if we have enough of like the curtain rod or anything. Let's just see if we rinse one out first. No, I'm just saying, like, let's not both go at the same time. Okay, so do it. Coming.
No, do one spot, please. Don't go for one spot.
Shiny.
Right. 7 centimeters.
It's not doing anything, it's so far away. It's not getting in those nooks. Oh, it's dripping. Hmm? On this bit, vertically. Hmm? I think I just used to do this more than me. I haven't really done this stuff before. I'm scared.
It is like shit.
Oh, you gotta do coats, huh?
I'm scared of the stripping. I don't want to.
Oh, that looks better. Do that. Oh, what do they say actually? They say small, light strokes. I've seen that.
Do stuff.
Hmm?
Do something with it, because this is just going to be a drip mark.
What should I do?
Just like wipe it with something, and I can just go over it. Use the cardboard, something to smooth it up. Use that cardboard.
That's sandpaper.
Oh, is it? That's right.
Wow, I can't breathe.